way. I like it. That's the way. I like it. Here it comes. There was something in the air tonight. Was to ride Fernando.
Friday at the dunes. Found ourselves a little jumpy. We'll see how it goes. Got Jess coming up first here. the spring that you would normally get. But... oh, the lake looks angry out there. Sorry about the wind, guys. We got the camera without the muffle. There he goes. Coming in good. Sweet little button. Got a double trouble here. Awesome. All right, guys. Well, this was day one. We have not done an intro yet. You're going to see some fun stuff we did Thursday night with some karaoke with Mike. But we're here. This is No,
October.
All right, guys. Well, we're up here. This is Racetober 2023. We're up here at the dunes. We got Dad. We got freaking everybody. The whole crew's here, minus Len. Sorry you couldn't be here, man. I hope your dad's okay. Perfect day. Weather's been touch and go. We've seen a lot of sun, but got a storm coming in, so we're just getting ready to head back to camp. Yep. And set up for the big festivities, guys. We got a long jump. Oh! Yeah! We got bracket racing. Outlaw racing. We've got a short course track, and Doug Rumor is going to do a freaking backflip with the RS1. So guys, this is going to be a good one. Hopefully there's a ton of people here. Spring, you know, graduations, all that stuff was going on. We understood that in Memorial Day, but I think we're going to have a good weekend, guys. So stick with us and we'll see you on the trails.